Somewhere in the heart of the Pacific Ocean lies an archipelago of hundreds of islands, paradise landscapes, untouched nature, and absolute silence. This is Palau, but behind this beauty lie secrets that few people know about. Why are many of the islands here uninhabited? What do the ancient jungles and coral lagoons hide? And what secrets have people left behind? This is the story of one of the most mysterious corners of the earth. Welcome to the uninhabited islands of Palau. Palau is more than 500 islands scattered over an area of 459 square kilometers. Most of them are covered in dense tropical forests, and the coastline is indented with coral reefs and hidden bays. But of all these islands, only a few are inhabited. The rest are empty. No cities, no roads, no people, only wild nature. The archipelago looks like a living postcard. Azure water, perfect beaches, and a riot of greenery. But behind this paradise lies a complex history, both natural and human. The first people appeared here about 3,000 years ago. They settled only on large islands, where there was fresh water and fertile soil, but most of the small islands remained untouched. During World War II, Palau became the scene of fierce battles between the USA and Japan. Some islands still bear traces of those battles: destroyed bunkers, rusty tanks, remains of military aircraft, sunken ships. It was then that some islands were abandoned forever. They simply stopped touching them. There are several reasons. Firstly, many islands have no fresh water, no rivers, no springs. Secondly, dense jungle, difficult terrain, and a complete lack of infrastructure make settlement almost impossible. And also, these are nature reserves. Part of the archipelago is protected by the state and international organizations. Palau's nature is one of the most unique in the world. It is home to over 300 species of fish, over 700 species of coral, and dozens of animals that can't be found anywhere else. Some islands have become home to rare birds, sea turtles, and even tiny salt lakes with millions of harmless jellyfish. One of these islands is Jellyfish Lake on Islemalk Island. This place is like something out of science fiction. You can swim among thousands of transparent jellyfish that don't sting. Each uninhabited island of Palau is a separate little world, with its own ecosystem and character. The Palau archipelago is more than just a forgotten corner of the planet. It is a reminder of what the world was like before man, and perhaps in this silence that hovers over its uninhabited islands, the voice of nature is heard that we have long ceased to hear. Subscribe if you want to learn more about the most mysterious places on the planet. There are still many unexplored islands ahead,